Hi friends, I'm painting a landscape based on photo I took on the trail that I hike every day. I'm very thankful to hike there every day. It is a great way to survive this shelter in place, in my opinion. I am using watercolor to sketch out the position and to study the value. The watercolor paper that I'm using is very absorbent and allows me to paint over this watercolor once it dries with acrylic. It has plenty of teeth. And I won't be using the colors that you see in the photograph for this landscape painting. I will be using brighter colors because I am trying to preserve the impression that I have while walking on the trail. Picture the photo is just helping me to refresh my memory, helping me to put the trail, the shrub, the tree, the hills and trees behind the hill and the mountain in the distance, and then the clouds in the right place, so that the picture will look somewhat convincing, even though the colors are not exactly the colors you see while walking on the trail. So this is the impressionistic painting. I'm using bigger contrast and brighter colors to render the objects that's closest to us. And then as the things fade to the background, I'll use less vibrant colors and render the things with fuzzy background, fuzzier and fuzzier until it fades to the background. Also, the light source of this piece is quite clear. It's from the left. Everything under the setting sun will be bright and warm. Things away from the sun and in the shade will be darker and cooler. You see the little dishes here is these are very inexpensive souffle dishes that I bought from a grocery store nearby. It allows me to store acrylic paint as long as I spray it with water once in a while. I can use them next time. I can use them, keep using them until I'm done, so that no paint get wasted. Acrylic paint is not like gouache. After gouache dries, whenever you want to use it again, you can just mix it with water. It's as good as new. So gouache paint is also very expensive, but you can use every bit of the pigment because it can be revived. And since acrylic cannot be revived, this is my way of getting the most out of it. You see, I'm using a lot of blues, which you do not see in the photo. I don't really see them while hiking on the trail, but I want to use them because they make me happy and I think they're beautiful. As long as you keep the value correct, you can use whatever color you want, still have the image come out convincing. that's my goal for this piece, using the colors I love, but keeping the value in order. So the impression that I have while hiking on that trail will be preserved, in my opinion, because I feel elated. I feel happy when I walk on the trail. I paint this in my head over and over. So when I start painting this on paper, I can do it quickly, even though I don't do a pencil sketch or a quick thumbnail. Please leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. I would love to hear from you. Yesterday, someone shared with me her creation, a landscape piece, via Facebook Messenger. And this is a lady who told me she has no experience in painting, and she has been learning while watching my channel. And I was so impressed by the stunning image that she creates. I'm very grateful that she shared the image with me, and she inspires me to make more of those type of videos and share with you guys. Here's a little bit of the tree behind the shrub, and adding a little bit of branches here and there. This is the only time that I'm using a smaller brush here. I would say 90% of the time I use only one flat brush for this painting, a 1/2 inch wide flat brush of synthetic hair. So colors with biggest contrast in value and the brightest are used for the object that's closest to us. For the distant mountain there, I'm using almost gray colors and keeping the edge of those distant mountain fuzzy, so it almost blends into the sky. And even the sky has sky that's closest to the distant, that's behind the distant mountain, and then gradually closer to us, and the clouds gets bigger and the colors in the sky gets to be a little bit more cooler, because it's further away from the sun that's setting on the left. Even the cloud size gets smaller as it fades behind the mountain into the horizon. And that's it. If you liked the video, please click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And go ahead, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Happy painting, and see you next time.